Ever pondered over the consequences of those invisible invaders called intestinal parasites? These are organisms that take up residence within another organism, that's us, and leech off our nutrients. They're like uninvited guests at dinner, helping themselves to a generous share of the feast. These parasites often find their way into our bodies through contaminated food and water, or from direct contact with infected individuals or animals. Once inside, they can wreak havoc, leading to a host of health problems. Digestive issues, fatigue, and a weakened immune system are just some of the unpleasant souvenirs they leave behind. In essence, intestinal parasites are a significant health concern that can negatively impact our well-being and overall bodily functions. It's a problem that requires attention and action. But don't fret, there's a straightforward and natural solution at hand. Now that we understand the problem, let's explore an easy-to-make solution right in your kitchen. Imagine a drink that not only tastes good, but also cleanses your body from harmful parasites. This homemade remedy is simple to prepare, requiring just 4 ingredients: honey, turmeric powder, ginger powder, and Ceylon cinnamon. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits to the table, forming a potent mix that aids in detoxification. Honey, a natural sweetener, also boasts antiseptic properties. Turmeric powder, a vibrant yellow spice, is known for its antioxidant abilities. Ginger powder adds a zesty flavor and aids in digestion, while Ceylon cinnamon, a type of cinnamon native to Sri Lanka, has anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare this drink, mix 1 teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon each of turmeric, ginger, and Ceylon cinnamon until you get a smooth mixture. Add warm water, stir well, and voila, your cleansing drink is ready. This potent mixture is best consumed immediately after preparation and can be taken once or twice daily for a week. Prevention, as they say, is better than cure. So how can we prevent these parasites from invading our bodies? The answer lies in our dietary habits. A healthy bacterial flora in our digestive tract is our first line of defense. To achieve this, we might need to bid adieu to some of our favorite yet unhealthy indulgences. Products like alcohol, sweets, highly processed foods, fast food, and those made with white flour and sugar, dairy, and meat can foster an environment that these parasites love. Cutting down or completely eliminating these can help regenerate our bacterial flora, creating an environment less inviting for parasites. It's not just about what we should avoid, but also what we should include. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods can aid in maintaining a healthy gut. Remember, a balanced diet is a strong foundation for a healthy body. The key to prevention lies in our diet and lifestyle choices. Dealing with parasites need not always involve heavy medications and treatments. A simple and natural antidote lies right in your kitchen. The homemade cleansing drink, combining the power of honey, turmeric, ginger, and Ceylon cinnamon, not only offers a way to cleanse your body from parasites and toxins, but also boosts your overall health with its antiseptic and antioxidant properties. Yet the battle against intestinal parasites doesn't end with a homemade drink. It's a lifestyle choice. Opting for a diet that supports a healthy bacterial flora in your digestive tract is crucial. Limiting products that burden your digestive system can create an environment less welcoming to parasites. However, remember, every body is unique. Before diving into any cleansing regimen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or nutrition specialist. Tailor the plan to your individual needs to avoid potential complications. Remember, your body is a temple, and with the right care and nourishment, it can remain a parasite-free one.